if you are a content creator, then this video is for you, because I have started 100% free community for all content creators. Okay, so this is not just another group, it is home for content creators who are serious about growth but don't want to do it alone. Whether you are into YouTube, blogging, podcasting, video editing, Instagram, storytelling, or anything related to content creation, you are welcome here. You will find creators just like you sharing what they are learning, posting their wins, and helping each other to stay on the track every single week. So if you are wondering what are the benefits of joining this group, so let me quickly show you. Inside this group you will get weekly accountability thread. Okay, in this thread you can share what you are working or whatever you have done in entire week, or what are your goals for next week, what you are working today. You can share whatever you want in this accountability thread. So there will be a weekly accountability thread. It will help you to stay consistent. Okay, second benefit is that it is a place where you can post your work and get feedback and track your progress. It means that suppose if you are a YouTuber and suppose you have published a new video, then you can post it inside this group and other community member can share their feedback about your video so that you can improve your video next time. Okay, or suppose if you are doing video editing, then you can also share your video editing works here so that you can get some clients. So it will be beneficial for you as well. Okay, also there will be tips, tools, and strategies that are actually working for me and other content creators, and it is just a group where creators are helping other creators. Okay, so let me show you how it will look when you will join this group. By the way, if you want to join this community, then this community link is in the video description. Just go and check it out. So when you will join this community, then you will see a dashboard something like this. Here is a community tab. It is just like a Facebook group, okay, where you can post anything if you want. Okay, suppose if you have published a new video on your YouTube channel, then what you can do, you can write a title, you can write something, and you can upload your YouTube video link here. Okay, then you can post it inside this community. It will look something like this so that other community member can check your video and share their feedback about your video. Okay, I hope you got it. And second thing is that you can post your wins here. So as you can see, I have made $30,000+ promoting Jasper AI as an affiliate. So I have posted my win here. Okay, what are my learning from promoting Jasper AI as an affiliate? I have made $30,000+ using Jasper AI affiliate program. Okay, so in this way you can share your wins here, so it will motivate other content creators just like you. Okay, as you can see, other community members are also sharing their wins. Like one of my community member Amol has also shared his affiliate win. Like he has made $157 by promoting an affiliate product. So in this way you will get some motivation after joining this community. Like you can share your wins and you can check other community member wins. Okay, like this. And I want to tell you one more thing, that if you will go to this classroom tab, okay, as you can see, then you will get some free course here. Like there is a course about AI tools. So whatever the AI tools that are trending these days, I have shared everything about it in this course. Okay, suppose if you are a YouTuber and you are facing difficulty in designing thumbnail, then you can use AI thumbnail generator. Okay, it can generate attractive thumbnail in just one click. And by the way, this thumbnail is also generated in just one click using this software which I have discussed in this video. And there are lots of AI tools video. If you are a YouTuber, then you should definitely check it here. And if you are a blogger, then there are some videos for you. And suppose in future if we will do live event, so that we all content creator can join a live event and share learning with each other, then we will plan some live event in the future. There is no plan right now, but we will think about it in the future so that all community member can join live event using Zoom or Google Meet. Okay, if we will do any live event, then you will get notification here in this calendar tab. And also there is a leaderboard. Suppose if you will reach at certain level, then it will unlock some bonuses for you. Okay, and also I am sharing my learning in this community, and also you can share your learning. So this week I have learned about how to use ChatGPT, and any video editing software you are using to make your video 10x better. Okay, so whatever I am learning, I am sharing here. It is other YouTuber video, and also you can share your learning here so that we all can learn from each other. Okay, and by the way, I want to tell you one more thing, that I am paying every single month to Skool platform to run this community. It is not free to run this kind of community. I am paying every single month to Skool platform to run this community, but I am giving access to this community 100% free to every content creator. I am not going to sell anything inside this community, like I am not going to sell any course to you. Don't worry about it. It is 100% free for everyone. So if you are content creator, then I will highly recommend you to check the link in the video description and join this community and start learning from each other. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.